Είμαστε Muscat, ξεκινάμε. Είμαστε ένα group υπέροχο, 12 καταπληκτικοί Έλληνες που έχουμε μοιηθεί στον κόσμο της Αραπιάς. They do adore photography because Sultan is a fan of photography, so he supports photography as an art. And I'm invited here to do my presentation and to introduce to the workshop that I start about life in Oman.
I want to thank Maro and Elias for this amazing experience. I saw so many beautiful places with so many beautiful people in it. And I make so many photos that I like.
Really, I haven't met something like that before, so friendly.
What makes you exceptional, really, and it's the first time I experience that, is your hospitality.
I'm very excited because I had a chance to share some moments with Maro Kouri in such a travel with this amazing street photographer. That she's really an inspiration for me, just yourself.
Salah